So I promised you one more question that shows you one of those crazy ones with just the ugly, ugly guy up front. Look at this. That ugly number up front. Don't forget, solve it for x equals 2. And once you finish the synthetic, divide out that 3. That'll just clear everything up for you. Watch again. So first thing I'm going to do, 3x plus 2, let that equal to 0. Bring the 2 over. You got 3x equals to minus 2. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. You got x equals to minus 2/3. That's what you're going to synthetically divide with. Minus 2/3. Oh, that's going to be nasty, isn't it? No, it's not. And if you have to do this on a little piece of paper somewhere, then do it on a piece of paper. Or just even type it into your calculator if you don't want to do it this way. But check this out. This is a 6. That's a minus 8. There's your minus 5, and of course your 5. Let's see what we get synthetically here. Okay, 6 comes down. So 6 times the minus 2/3. Do it over here. Look, 6 times the minus 2/3. Now, if you know the cancellation law, it becomes easy. That goes in once, that goes in twice. You end up with minus 4. Okay, so if you put the minus 4, it goes right in here. Add that together. Now you got minus 12, right? Okay, so we do it again. So take our scrap piece of paper. Here we go. We're going to go minus 12 times minus 2/3. Look how pretty. That 3 goes into minus 12. Guess what? 4 times. Minus 4 times minus 2? Yup, positive 8. Add that together, you get 3. Beautiful. Let's keep on going. That'll now be 3 times minus 2/3. There it is. Cancel those guys out. Guess what you get? You got minus 2. 5 plus a minus 2 works out to be 3. There's your remainder. There's your ones position, your x position, x squared position. Everything's fine, right? Wrong. It's not fine. One of the things that you have to remember you got to do, because there's a 3 up front, is that you've got to divide out, factor out basically a 3 from here. Okay, and the reason why, again, is because you're dividing out by an x. You're not dividing out by the 3x. So even though you divided out by the x to get this answer, make sure in the end you divide out by 3x, or by 3 just to get the proper answer. So dividing this out by 3, that's pretty simple. That becomes a 2x squared. Dividing that 12 by 3 becomes a minus 4x. And dividing that 3 by 3 becomes a plus 1. There's your proper quotient plus the remainder of 3, okay? Multiply by 3x plus 2 will give you your right answer. And all you got to do is just do a quick check. Remember, look at your first one, 6x cubed. If you multiply this all out, look what you get right off the bat, 6x cubed. So you know you've done this right. Big things to remember. Solve this like you would normally, then at the end, look after that factor of 3 up front. Got it? Got it.